Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, I am back again with a new makeup tutorial. So I thought I would do the part 2 of the Vault palette. I do only have 2, so this is the final part. So this is Bling Boss here, which is like the purple one, and this is kind of the look I came up with. It kind of started off as something quite small, and now it's kind of turned into drag queen-esque, and I actually have to go out after this, so yeah. Apologies to little North Wales who have never seen anyone wear anything dramatic. Like, I'm gonna get some looks with this, but doesn't matter. It's all for the YouTube channel, isn't it? But yeah, so that's what I'm going to do today. I'm just going to do this look on this side and then show you the final look. So yeah, if you'd like to know how I did this, then please keep on watching. And if you enjoy, let me know down below and click subscribe. And without further ado, we will get straight into it. Okay, so from the Bling Boss palette, the first colour I'm going to go into is the shade Rockstar, which is right here. And I'm just going to start packing that all over my lid, all over my crease. I'm not going to take it too high, but I am just going to take it a little bit above the crease, and then I'm also going to wing it out like I've done on this eye as well. But obviously it will be easier to watch than it will be to explain, as usual. Imagine following like words to do a makeup tutorial. I think that would be really, really hard. And I am just taking a lighter hand as I'm going out to this bit, because it's kind of like I'm just going to do an outline for now and then build it up afterwards once we know the shape we're going for. Because once you put product on, it's really hard to get rid of it, so I'm just going to finish that like that for now, and then I'm just going to build it up afterwards. So the next shade I'm going to go into is Sparks down here, and use this just to blend that out. Just like I normally do, just packing it on and then blending it out afterwards. So just taking some, packing it there, and then just blending out. And just for the record, I do like these palettes, but I do think Bling Boss is a lot harder to blend. Like, the matte shades are a lot harder to blend than the other one I used yesterday, Dark Magic. As you can probably see, like, it is a lot harder to blend, so it takes a little bit more time. But I don't think they're awful, but then I did get version 2. So that's probably why. I'm then going to go into the shade Mystic, which is here, and I am just going to apply some of that. If I'm being completely honest, Mystic and Rockstar are pretty much the same colour. I think if instead of Mystic you had like a really dark, almost black purple, I think this palette would be pretty much complete, but that Mystic is a bit like, there's no need for it in my opinion. But I'm just going to apply some, just basically to show you that it doesn't really make a difference. So that shadow in my opinion is like totally not necessary. As you can probably see, it's not really making much of a difference to this look. Then I'm going to take some concealer and start cutting out the crease. I saw Stacey Marie MUA on Instagram do a like style like this ages ago, and like loads of people have done it since. I don't know if she like invented it, but like whatever. That's who I saw do it, and I've been like, oh, I really want to do that shape, but it's taken me until now to do it. So yeah, but that's kind of the shape I'm going to do. I don't really know how to explain it. It's just like a bit of a tail. To the cut crease, but I thought it looked quite cool. It's like a different shape, so that's what I'm gonna do, because I don't really want to do like the same old things. Like, I always feel like makeup gets a bit boring, and I want to keep doing different things. And we are going to take this mega high, because if we are doing dramatic makeup, it has to go quite high, doesn't it? That's just the rule. Although I need to chill out a little bit. I'm then going to go into Bling Bling. Not that it matters, because let's be honest, all the shimmer shades, apart from like these two, are like exactly the same. Those like light shimmer shades are like identical. But I'm going to go into the Bling Bling, and I'm just going to put this on the top of where we cut the crease and onto that little tail bit as well. I hope that makes sense. And something I always do is just redefine the crease. So I go in with some of the dark shades and I just go over that area outside of the crease just to redefine where we cut it. And then of course blend. I am then going to go into the shade Gem here and put that everywhere else where we didn't cut the crease.
Okay, editing Lois here, that makes literally 0 sense. What I clearly meant was put the purple shade everywhere where we did cut the crease, that's like left. So the space below where we just put the Bling Bling shade. I hope that makes more sense, because I just make 0 sense in this video for some reason.
And kind of blend it into that Bling Bling shade. I'm then going to go into the shade Rockstar and that Mystic shade, mix them and just blend that purple into where we've sort of flicked it out a bit. And I'm going to try and avoid that little tail bit. I'm then going to go into the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in Glam Rock, and I'm just going to pat this onto that area where we cut the crease. I'm not going to take it too high, but I just want some kind of like silvery glitter kind of specks of it onto the lid as well, but I'm not going to go too crazy, so I am just going to like dab it rather than like use it as a liner. Then I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Felt Tip eyeliner and just draw a small line on the top. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that my camera just stopped filming. Oh, I'm so annoyed. I think it's just like the lower lash line you've missed. So for the lower lash line, I literally just put some white gel eyeliner into the waterline and then just smoked out the bottom with the colour Gem. Here, the shade Mystic and Rockstar, and just kind of put Gem on the front part and then put the other ones on the outward bit and then just connected it to that top flick. The lashes are Jasmine by Doll Lashes. I really hope that you haven't missed that much. I'm sorry if like that was all cut off, but I'm just going to go and do my face off camera and then I will be back to show you the finished look, so please keep on watching. so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Apologies about the missing clip with the lower lash line. Ugh, this camera, I hate you. It just decides sometimes when I press the record button, it decides no, I don't want to, and doesn't record, and then I don't see because I don't have like a screen thingy, the screens that pop up, but maybe I should get one. But yeah, so apologies for that, but I hope that, you know, it was still an informative video and you still learnt some stuff. And if you do recreate this, then please let me know and please tag me in your photos because I would absolutely love to see. Also, another little side note is I now have a Facebook page called Makeup by Lois. Yeah. Okay. I will leave the link to it down below. And yeah, it's just kind of my freelance makeup website, Facebook page, whatever you want to call it, where I do offer like services. So if you want me to do your makeup, obviously this is just in my area of North Wales and the West Midlands, which is where my boyfriend lives, which is where I go. So if you are in the North Wales area or in the West Midlands and you are watching this and you would like me to do your makeup for you, then please check the link down below, send me a message, and of course like we can sort something out. But I just wanted to kind of put that in the videos because you never know who's watching. And yeah, and you never know if they live nearby, so I thought I would just put that in there. So yeah, let me know if you enjoyed this video. Please click the subscribe button, and yeah, thank you once again, and I will see you very soon.